Here's a guide on how to replace a Necta barrel lock. Here are your important components, and you will only need very basic tools. Step 1 is to remove the nuts and bolts from the top and bottom of this shaft. Make sure to keep those safe, you don't want to lose any parts. Next, you can loosen this bolt to make your life easier and give you more space. Push these tabs backwards because they will be holding the nut and bolt down. Removing the tabs and the shaft allows you to gain access to the last nut that is on the barrel lock. Removing this nut allows you to remove the barrel lock from the machine. Be sure not to lose any pieces. You can now pull the lock out of the hole. Then replace with a new lock and follow all the steps in reverse, making sure to tighten up all the nuts and bolts. Before fully securing the shaft back to the barrel lock, make sure that it turns easily and that there are no obstructions to the shaft. Don't forget to put the tabs down to secure the nut at the back of the lock barrel. Then double check to make sure that you've got nice smooth movement of your locking shaft and there are no obstructions. The key should go in and out nice and smooth without much resistance. You now know how to change the barrel lock on any Necta vending machine.